guys, kindly click the subscribe button to join the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss any new videos.
Okay, so for this part of the video, only be adding the lights and the render settings. So we still have this lights here, this pendant light here to fix. Then there are some reversed ceiling lights here, 4 lights. Let me put it that way under here. So we need to add those 2, and then we are good to go. Yeah. So it doesn't take much. You just have to basically get our Cosmos browser. 3D models, lightnings, ceilings, or pendants. So there's several pendant lights that go parts, especially the one that looks more like what we have there. Let's see. Okay, so I like this. I think I like this as well. Like it. I think the other one looks like. Okay, so I'm going to take both lights, pull them up now to see which one suits this better. So I'll just delete this. I prefer this one. I think this one would be a perfect fit for that particular position. Okay, little reduction. I wanted to show you that surface and the instance needed to be visible. Alright, so here I'm just going to quickly make some changes, watts and 15 watts for each of the bulbs and the lights. So for here, it's a reversed ceiling lights, lighting ceiling. Okay, still waiting for it to load, and so it's still loading, and awesome. So I'm bringing this in. Alright, and I will make sure it goes in reverse. Alright, here. Here and here. Okay. What? 20. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. And that's nice. Cool. Very nice. Okay, so we now have to already have a camera. We need to create the light, the dome lights that we'll use. So we'll come to textures, plug in V-Ray, bitmap. So we need to drop an HDRI here, and we can do that using one of these assets websites where I get assets from visit. As Holy Heaven. Most of the time the HDRIs, I get free HDRIs from there, so it helps me a lot. Let's see. What would be this? And then download. So okay. So while it's downloading, I'll come here and then just wait for it to download and drop it here. Yeah, select. So for the general, I think 10% is okay. So now we can try to render. First, I want the output to be a little sharper and save. Okay. Alright, we're good to go with our renders. Let's see. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, the share, and the subscribe button. You can also drop a comment in the comment section. The comment section is always open for you guys. Thank you very much for your support. It means a lot to me, and it helps me improve the process of work. Okay, so we have an issue here. There is this issue with this texture for the floral work. We are going to correct that in a jiffy. So what we do basically is to change this. Just add this to this. Let's do this, and this. Let's try again. So still having the same issue for that part. We are going to do this then. So I'm just going to do basically this to make the changes reflect. You just have to do it manually. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this. I think we're still having the same problem with our render. Still having the same issue with the render. Okay. Let's do this instead. Let's do this instead and see the hard foot. Yeah, so it's pretty much not showing up. I'll take that out entirely and we'll bring it in again. So sometimes you have this issue coming up in say for the when you're rendering, and then you need to sort them right there. So I'm going to change this to downloaded 3D and vegetation. Yeah. So go back to that point where we picked the ivy wall. There we have it. So we'll have to rotate it again. And then pull backwards. So this next one. Pull this downwards. Then this. This. Okay, so let's see what you have now, if it pops well. Nice. So now it comes out better. Comes out better, and I think I like this. Yeah, this looks very, very nice. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and share. Thank you for your time.